Hello friends and welcome back to Mystical Ventures. In today's vlog I'm going to show you all how I spent a day at Murdeshwar or Modeshwar, as however you feel like pronouncing it, because it's correct in all the menu.
उल्टा पकड़ा है पागल हूँ।
नहीं ऐसे ही करते
नहीं।
इधर से कहाँ?
उनको पूछे ना किधर से करते हो। ऐसा करते थे ऐसा करते
So finally I learned how to chop tender coconut, and then I opted out to have a jaggery tea because it was a long journey which we had to travel, and since it was Independence Day evening, then this was at late night we reached at Modeshwar, and this was the hotel in which we stayed. That was Jaya Palace. Yeah, Jaya Palace. So this was the lobby area, the lobby section. आगे बढ़ के यहाँ पे देख सूरज भाई मतलब पूरा रेड कारपेट मतलब बिछा के अपना वेलकम हो गया. सो ये दिस इज व्हेन आई एंटर्ड द लिफ्ट एंड नाउ दिस इज व्हेन आई exited the lift. So then I went walking towards the hotel room, and tada, this is the hotel room which we were supposed to stay overnight. And then I'll give this small tour. That is, they have this small chai peene wala table, and this is the washroom, and then the bed is always. And then this is the exterior view from the hotel room. This is the view from the balcony. I mean, we reached the hotel around something 1:30 or I guess 2:30, something late night.
The next morning.
So now this was early in the morning. Sorry, this was at 9:30. And that is the before, and now this is the after look after getting freshened up and getting ready to go towards the temple. So then वापस यहीं पे red and black carpet पे मतलब प्रस्थान करते हुए we went to the temple. Finally you can see a glimpse of the Murdeshwar temple. Here, this is the Murdeshwar temple. I know I prefer saying it Murdeshwar, but you know it sounds very nice when I say in the typical language like Murdeshwar. And यहाँ पे सूरज भाई ने he took the token or something to enter the temple, and this is the temple. Looks very beautiful and very huge as well. So now we were heading towards a parking area, and we got to see the massive and huge statue of Lord Shiv Shankar. And finally Suraj bhai managed to get a vacant parking slot, so we parked the car and we are heading towards the temple वो दर्शन लेने के लिए. हाँ, और बाद में महाप्रसाद भी खाने के लिए. मतलब आई प्रिफर ईटिंग दिस महानिवेद्य का जो खाना रहता है ना, मतलब प्योर वेज फूड. आई जस्ट लव दैट फूड. So now we were heading towards a temple, वो जो मतलब प्रसाद खाने के लिए ना. And here this is my sandal, which I didn't knew that this is the last time I'll be seeing my sandals, because उसके बाद कुछ कांड हुआ. I'll tell you later. So then here we entered the area where the Mahaprasad is served. So here they gave a plate to everyone. They gave, in sense we all had to pull a plate for us. Then they come with a jug of water and they put it in the plate. It is like you have to wash the plate and then discard it over here in this basin that they bring, and then you have to pull a glass of water for you if you want it. Then they came and they served this rice kheer. I mean, you have to eat the dessert before the food, and then they add in that plate only they add this chauli and potato ka sabji, and then they added rice, and now this is the rasam. One thing about me, when food is served to me now, I cannot wait. I don't see left and I don't see right. I just relish on the food, and when it is pure veg, so I cannot hold myself. and I took a candid video clip also of Suraj Bhai. And this is after finishing with Mahaprasad. When we came out, we got a surprise because our footwear were, I won't say stolen, but I don't know what happened. It was missing from there. And then we had to go forward and then had to purchase some new footwear. So then I thought about buying this lungi as well because थोड़ा मतलब वो एस्थेटिक वाला फील आएगा ना कि मतलब मंदिर में हूँ एंड साउथ इंडिया में हूँ. सो आई जस्ट परचेज दिस लुंगी ऑल्सो एज अ सोवेनियर ऑल्सो. नाउ इट इज़ केप्ट विद मी एट होम. सो देन ये पहन के देन वी वेंट थोड़ा उधर रील्स के लिए. आई टुक सम वीडियो लाइक सी दिस वीडियो आई हैव यूज्ड इन माय रील. I really enjoyed my one-day trip to Murdeshwar, and it's all a big thank to Suraj Bhai because he's the one who just pops up with some idea with all this unplanned trips, and it really works wonders for me, all this unplanned trip. So since our footwear had gone missing at the temple, Suraj Bhai said that chalo I'll buy a sandal for you right now. I said nahi rehne, but still he insisted and he purchased footwear for me and for him as well. So this is the one which I took. So then we went back to the hotel and we winded up with all our things, took our Hartley Portly, and we moved out from the hotel room. And then I saw this one lovely church over here, somewhere in Karnataka only it is. Then going forward I saw this man drawing something on the wall, but then maybe he is inspired by M.F. Hussain and maybe even he wants to inspire the world by his drawing. Then a bit more further I saw another church over here. I think some St. Anthony church or something. And then we stopped at this Julius Wine Store. The owner saw that it is a GA registration car, so he said "Kosa asa," and he expected maybe they will be purchasing some daru ya kuch khamba kuch to lenge, but we didn't purchase anything because we had stopped only to buy a bottle of water. And then we stopped somewhere else just to cook foods. किसी के तो मतलब ऐसे एक प्रॉपर्टी में. And then I seen this lovely scenario, so I just tried to capture a video of mine for a reel. So then in the car I saw this something blinging and something very glittery. Go to see, it's a different kind of beetle which I saw. So that's how I spent my one day in Murdeshwar. So that's all in for today's vlog. So if you like my vlog, do like it, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Mystical Ventures. Thank you.